Today, packaging has got to be one of the most exciting and daunting industries. Anything that fails to be aesthetically pleasing, recyclable, reusable, and eco-friendly will soon no longer have a place on the shelves. However, for packaging companies that can adapt, transform, and comply, the sky is the limit. Here are 6 ways Syspro ERP can simplify your success and help you box clever in the packaging industry. Syspro Manufacturing Operations Management Solution offers a unique level of delivery, cost, and quality control of manufacturing operations, which vastly improves the quality of regulatory and compliance documentation. Syspro's QMS improves internal process quality control by allowing your organization to develop its own unique quality plan and inspection system. Syspro provides integrated visibility across your operations, enabling you to easily identify and track cost elements and target areas of waste for improvement programs. With the help of Syspro ERP Supply Chain Portal, you can streamline collaboration between buyers and suppliers, minimize document handling, increase operational efficiency, and improve governance and support for your customers and suppliers. Syspro Mobile facilitates 24/7 collaboration and coordination along the entire supply chain, from raw materials to delighted customer. Rest easy, knowing that your critical systems and data are well protected, fully backed up, and safe from cyber attacks. It's time to say yes to a solution that helps you overcome the challenges of the packaging industry and ensures your growth and profitability well into the future. It's time to say yes to Syspro.